Good morning. Today we'll talk about the effect of electric current to make a magnetic field if we connect with a wire like that with a battery. This is a battery negative and positive, and this is a connecting wire, and we have a straight wire. We notice that if we put here a compass, it will deflect as follow from this direction, like clockwise direction, like clockwise direction, because the current flows inside the wire. What happened if we have a wire? If we have a wire, we can detect the magnetic field around the wire by using a compass and by using right hand rule. Right hand rule, if we have a wire like that and we grabs our right hand by using a thumb up with the direction of current called I, we make arrow like that to indicate the direction of current, and our wrist of your hand of your hand will make a grab or circle like that uh, uh, for the direction of current, for the direction of magnetic field, which will be a circle, and its center, its center will be the wire itself. Here, if we draw like that, right hand rule or right hand, as we grabs it, your fingers around the wire, your fingers around the wire, your finger around the wire, and the wire in the middle. So your finger indicate the direction of current like that, anti-clockwise. Okay. So the wire is the center of the circle which made by the magnetic field. Center made by the magnetic field, center of the circle, and the circle will be closer to each other inside and away each other outside the wire or away the wire. As we get nearer to the wire, the current here affected to the magnetic field and make it as with circles near to each other, but away it will be very low. The magnetic field here increases by increasing strength of current. strength of what? current intensity. زيادة القوة بتاعت الكرنت اللي هي نفسها intensity اللي هي اسمها ايه symbolized by I is measured by ampere or ampere. Okay, I appreciated to our scientist ampere. Ampere is a current intensity when the current intensity increases, when the strength of the wire increases. So we have here dot and X sign. If you look to the page and you see X or dot, what does that mean? That means there is a direction like the arrow. In the ancient era, they make their weapons by filling bow or arrows. At the end, there is what? X made of feathers, and at the tips there is a dot. What is meant by dot here? Dot here inside our page, inside, and X is outside the page, خارج البيج يعني. Sorry. Inside and what? Outside. What is meant by inside? Inside, that means the magnetic field, the current intensity like that, inside the page, inside the page. So by using our right hand rule, this is the thumb. The thumb will have to be like that from up to down to the page, and the dot is out the page like that. The thumb will be upward. The thumb will be what? Upward. Okay, like that. Again, X sign for current inside, like that. Dot is a sign like outside, like that. Like the arrow, X is the end. We see the end, that means the arrow go inside. We see the tips, that mean the arrow go outside, like that in our face. Grabs your hand like that. If we have a pen here, this is the wire and represent what? Represent current intensity. Okay, we grabs it by your right hand. Grabs me. So the thumb will indicate the current. The finger indicate the direction of the circles of field. Circles of field, like that. Circles like that here, anti-clockwise. But if we have dot circle, dot, that means the current carry a current in a direction from the page to faces, our face, like that, from down to up, from down to up. So that means the current up. Okay, field will be in direction anti-clockwise. But if we have a current X represent what? Magnetic field will current will be inside the page, and your magnetic field will rotate with your finger. Will rotate your finger like that. Yes, like that. Okay, clockwise. Rotate as clockwise. So this is a right hand grabs rule.